Hello and welcome to English class of Standard 12. In our today's class, we will be doing prose section and in it we will be doing 1.8 Voyaging Towards Excellence by Achyut Godbole. Voyaging Towards Excellence, this is the name of the lesson. We begin with the icebreakers. Match the column is given here. In column A, we have different purposes for traveling and the description of it is given in column B. We will see the answers in the next slide. Let's see what are the different purposes of traveling. If it is a travel by cruise, so it is a journey on a boat or a ship to a number of places. If it is an expedition, it is a journey especially by a group of people for a specific purpose. If it is a camp, it is a place where usually away from urban areas where tents are erected for shelter. Next is trip. It is a brief pleasure outdoor visit. Excursion. It is a short journey to a place with a particular purpose. Picnic is a short visit to an outdoor place where people celebrate, enjoy and eat meals. Lastly, voyage. Now this is the name of our lesson, Voyage Towards Excellence. So voyage means a long journey on a ship. Complete the web diagram. The topic is quality required for excellence. Let's see what are the qualities needed for achieving excellence. Vision, hard work, humility, curiosity, teamwork, humanity, equality, rationality. You can write by your own if you know some other qualities for achieving excellence. Let's know about the author Achyut Godbole. He was born in the year 1950. He is well known for his writings in Marathi and English. He is a prolific writer, that is, he has written a lot of works and he has written in various genres and has produced numerous original works as well as he has written the adaptations of works from other languages into Marathi. His writing style is informative and yet it is very informal. He became a chemical engineer from IIT Mumbai in 1972 and headed top management positions in companies of great repute. That is, very reputed companies. He was in the top management positions. This autobiographical sketch penned by Achyut Godbole, that is this lesson which we are studying, it is his own autobiographical incidences and they show his journey from a middle class boy, schoolboy to a famous writer. He was a successful general manager of Patni Computers System. He headed many other reputed companies and later he became a famous writer. The present write-up, it discusses his quest, that is his eagerness for excellence, and it also shows how he developed his thirst for knowledge. He discusses at length all the ingredients and essentials of success and the ways to achieve success. Voyaging towards success, that is journey towards achieving outstanding and remarkable results. In this autobiographical sketch, the narrator, that is Achyut Godbole, he narrates his journey from a middle class schoolboy in Solapur to a successful chief executive and also to a famous writer. He tells us what is needed for success and the ways to achieve success. He begins with, I had a very simple upbringing. We were a lower middle class family. Our 300 square feet house did not even have basic amenities such as fan, a refrigerator, a geyser, a dining table, or a gas stove, leave alone an air conditioner or a car. It was only when I entered the college that I got a watch and we got a dining table and a gas stove at home. He is describing his lifestyle, that is, they were very belonging to a middle class family and their house was only 300 square feet house, and did not they did not have basic amenities such as fan, refrigerator, geyser, dining table, or even a gas stove, leaving aside air conditioner or a car, which is a luxury item. Then he says that when he had entered into a college, he got a watch and also they got a dining table and a gas stove. So this was his lifestyle when he was a young boy. Achyut Godbole says that though they were not very rich, but his family background was culturally very good. He had a rich cultural background. Poets like Vinda Karandikar, Mangesh Patgaonkar, Vasant Bapat used to visit their home for hours. They used to sit and he used to listen to the discussions about poetry and literature both in Marathi and English. They used to talk about Keshav Sut, Mardekar, Shakespeare, Charles Dickens and Thomas Hardy. So he is saying that all the renowned poets of Marathi as well as the discussions about the English literature were going on in his house regularly and he used to listen to those discussions. The writer Achyut Godbole, he says that he was unable to understand their discussions in depth, but he was immensely impressed. That is, he was impressed a lot about those discussions. He also was lucky to have Pandit Kumar Gandharva, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi and Pandit Jasraj to visit at their place and talk about Indian music till late night or sometimes till dawn. He says that he has developed his interest in literature and music during his school days. He did not or even today do not understand the grammar of music, but he has begun to love it since childhood. Most of the times, the topics of discussion at the home of the author were about music, literature, painting, sculptures, etc. He could listen to the discussions about Van Gogh, Mozart, and Michelangelo. All these are the painters, sculptors, musicians, composers. And it was because of this milieu, that is the social environment that the author had, he started to firmly believe that all the arts are equally important, even if they are not as important as science and technology in our lives, but all the arts are equally important. He had learned from his childhood that money does not mean everything in life. Writer Achyut Godbole says that arts, music and literature, they enrich our lives and they put meaning to our existence. This doesn't mean that he did not like science or mathematics. In fact, he loved those subjects. However, he did not study those subjects for scoring maximum marks in the examination, but he used to study these subjects or any other subject for the matter of inheriting its beauty. That is, he used to study it permanently by for the knowledge of those subjects. As per the author, he found Newton's law of motion beautiful and Pythagorean theorem elegant, that is stylish. He loved solving problems of physics and mathematics of 9th standard when he was in 7th, and not to show off but because he used to get involved in solving them. He used to love problem solving and used to enjoy finding out the most elegant, that is the stylish method of solving the problems. Obviously, these problems were not a part of curriculum, but he enjoyed the whole process of solving the problems. This attitude of looking beyond marks or examination and to seek joy in solving any challenging problem has helped the author to develop a problem-solving attitude, which came handy when he appeared for his IIT entrance JEE. because this exam is completely based on problem solving ability and the ability to think not only logical but quickly and rapidly. Because of his problem solving attitude, he has scored 100% marks in mathematics in almost all examinations that he has appeared from first standard till IIT, except only a few times. He has stood 16th in the SSC board and he has stood first in the university in all subjects put together. During those days, one could get the admission to IIT without the entrance test if that person has secured first rank in the university. We will continue with the lesson in our next part. Till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. So friends, don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the video and also to like the video. Thanks for watching.